Hey everyone, welcome back to CloudOps Craft. Docker interviews have changed. It's no longer about remembering commands. It's about how you think like a DevOps engineer when Docker becomes a part of real world problem. And in this brand new scenario based interview series, we are going to decode Docker interviews the way they actually happen in real life. If you have ever faced a question like your container keeps restarting, how will you debug it? Or how do you handle secret securely in Docker? This series is built exactly for you. This is not a theory based playlist. Every episode is a scenario, a real world interview case where we break down why the problem occurs, how how you should approach it, what interviewer expect you to explain step by step. Okay. And this is a 10-part series, which means at the end of the series we will be covering up to 150 plus scenarios from beginner to advanced level across these 10 parts. We will move from Docker fundamentals all the way to real production case studies, mastering concepts like images, networking, volumes, compose, security, troubleshooting, and finally connecting Docker with CI/CD pipelines and Kubernetes. In part one, okay, each part we will have a 15 question. Okay, uh, I will release as a each part as a video. Okay, in part one, we will learn I'll explain Docker basics and core concepts interview questions. This will be the first 15 questions that going to explain under Docker basics and core concepts. In part 2, we will discuss about images, image layers, and registries interview questions. In part 3, we will discuss about Docker file and build process interview questions. In part 4, we will discuss Docker networking interview. Under part 5, we will discuss about volumes and data management questions. In part 6, we will discuss about Docker volume, Docker compose questions. Part 7, Docker security. Part 8, troubleshooting and monitoring. Part 9, Docker in CI/CD pipelines. Part 10 is real world Docker interview case studies. So mostly, for every topic, we will follow a consistent format, which means first we will I'll explain the question. After that, we will have interview context. What is the interview is really testing? Okay. And a detailed explanation I'll give. Okay, for that question. After that, I will help you to how to answer in interviews. Okay. The ideal candidate perspective with the storytelling, clarity, and confidence. Okay, in detailed explanation, I'll explain how Docker works behind the scene. Okay, and you will see the clear understanding on question with the command with the structured answer breakdown, so you can count explain any Docker scenario in your next DevOps interview. Okay. So by end of this series, you will be able to talk to any Docker interview, not guessing the answer, but explaining them with confidence, context, and real world clarity. So if you are preparing for DevOps, Cloud, or SRE, make sure to subscribe to CloudOps Craft, hit the bell icon, and join me in this scenario based Docker interview series. Let's master Docker. And I will post all my videos as a Medium article also. So even after viewing this interview series videos, if you want to revise yourself, you can go to my Medium profile and you can check. Okay, it will be there, so you can revise from. So this is all about this video. Thank you.